Yo, I'm back for another edition of F Your Mother. It's probably gonna be a longer video. New York drug officials issue warning for resurgence of Colombia crack. Now, let me just be the first to say it. I'm just been 40 for like the last month and a half. I didn't know there was any other crack. Now, I was born in 1983. By the time crack cocaine blew up, it was like 1986, so I was 3 years old. My dad got on that shit in 1985. I didn't know there was any other type of crack. Clearly, the Colombians is trying to get back in the game now, according to my knowledge, which may be limited or not. The Colombians had relinquished the trade routes and just started manufacturing the cocaine and passing it off to the Mexicans and letting them travel the shit up the trade routes all the way to the U.S. Because it's cheaper. And on top of all that, a bunch of their top official drug lords was taken down in the 80s. Pablo Escobar being notably one, George Young being another one. The whole goddamn Medellin cartel, John Letter. So I didn't know that, these niggas was back to making crack. But it looks like everybody's trying to get in the game. The fentanyl shit is taking over and killing people. So, then there's that. And then we have this video right here. I'm gonna let y'all see this shit.
No escaping this.
Woman said don't let drugs. People thought that drugs would hinder her or she would never bounce back. Let me just be the first person to say this, bitch. You didn't bounce back. Just because you look cleaned up on the outside, and that's an overstatement because this is social media. So we don't know if this bitch got filters on her. We don't know if she got like cake foundation applied to her, plastered to her face. We don't know nothing. But we do know by her mugshots is that she was a crackhead or some type of dope head. In any event, right? I seen a whole bunch of women on the bottom of this post commenting that, she looked good. She looks cleaned up. Another woman even asked me, don't think she changed or whatever the fuck, right? To which I say no, right? Now, I'm happy for the woman if she cleaned herself up and got her act together. That's a good thing, right? Especially if she got kids. She looked like one of them hoes that work at the warehouse that everybody want to fuck, but they don't know that bitch is past. Let me just put this out here. If I find out that a chick that I'm talking to used to be a dope head, crackhead, or any type of substance abuse, now if she was a recreational cocaine user, I may let that shit slide. And even that's an overstatement. But if I find that this bitch used to do fentanyl, methamphetamines, crack, or any other thing that fucking bring down your stock in the world, I'm out. I don't give a fuck how clean this bitch look, right? Yeah, she look cleaned up. She cleaned her act up. I applaud that. But let's not get it fucked up. Niggas that was pitching dope was probably fucking this bitch for the free ski. God knows what the fuck she might have. I'm not running the risk of getting HIV because this bitch was shooting dirty needles. But the comment sections actually was a testament to how thirsty niggas are, right? Now, for a nigga that's got a substantial amount of pussy, I don't be bothered by that, right? That's not what moves me. Money turns me the fuck on. With limitations, right? Doing no unsavory gay shit. But money is what turns me on, right? I'm not thirsty just because a bitch look good. And she ain't even look that good. She was a high yellow bitch, right? I'm not impressed by those. And like I said, it's social media. So she could have had a whole bunch of foundation plastered to her face. These hoes be wearing a thick ass film of makeup and lashes. And you can't see what the bitch look like till you hose her off. Then she look crazy as fuck. You be trying to figure out how you brung this nigga home. In any event, it's just been my thoughts, ideas, and opinions on that. If you like this episode, subscribe. All you motherfuckers stop making comments if you're not gonna subscribe, right? Right now I'm accessible, so I'm gonna go back and forth with you jackasses, but it'd be nice if you like to leave the comments to subscribe, see the next video. probably follow-ups and part 2s and shit like that to the original videos. I will partake and entertain you motherfuckers in the comment section, but yeah, you should probably listen to the podcast show. Anyways, tell your fucking friends if you don't, fuck your mother.
No one's ready to do